So here's an idea that I have. I thought Dad would like this. I've got a millicircle here. I'm making a spacer for my supercharger pulley or fixture. This is going to bolt down here on this fixture plate, and I'm going to mill this out. You can see some of these scribed lines that I have on here, this cross. I'm going to mill out this area to lightweight the pulley spacer. So anyways, I got to mill a hole to mount, and I'm using the rotary table. And you put the handle on here and crank it, and it spins the vise around. So what I want to do is take my trusty DeWalt, remove that handle, and put that bad boy right on there. Check that out. Get it back over here in the start position. Not too bad, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll see how it does for the rest of the job. Pretty cool. Use your DeWalt drill to run your rotary table. Saves a lot of time.